can win right now. Oh, it's affected by the eye. Got hit right.
Magandang araw mga pre, maayong adlaw po sa mga Bisaya diha. Olympic medalist at undefeated na Hapon. Sumuko sa tinaguriang jawbreaker na Pinoy champion. Yan ang pag-usapan natin sa videong ito mga pre. Pero kung bago ka sa aking munting tahanan, pasuporta naman, click mo lang ang subscribe button at notification bell button para lagi kang updated sa mga videos ko. Kung sa basketball ay may ankle breaker, sa boxing naman ay may tinaguriang jawbreaker at ito ang ating kababayang WBO, Asia Pacific Super Featherweight Champion na si Noynay na dumayo pa sa bansang Japan noong July 12, 2019 para dipinsahan sa unang pagkakataon ang kanyang titulo kontra sa 2012 London Olympic bronze medalist at undefeated na Hapon na si Satoshi Shimizu. Number 17 si Noynay sa world ranking, may edad na 23 years old, 5'8 ang height at may kartadang 17 wins, 2 defeats, 1 draw at 6 dito via KO. Habang ang Hapon na si Shimizu ay 30 years old na at number 34 sa world ranking, 5'10 ang tangkad at may perpektong boxing record na 8 wins at 8 KOs. Ang laban nila ay ginanap sa Osaka Edion Arena sa Japan. Sa gabi ng laban, unang round pa lang, tinatamaan na ng malulutong na suntok ang Hapon. Ilang minuto lang ay bagsak ito.
Decision against in 2012 before winning tried me that he beat Dog Bay. He's a tall, linky guy. He's looking down on Dog Bay. Exactly.
At nasundan pa ng isa pang knockdown.
Now they're trying to get out of range. There are other times you fumble him out and throw a loop discrepancy and being kind of second place in that regard. He's trying to jump in. That's what he just did right there. Beautiful combination. Show.
Nagkatayo at yumayakap na lang at pilit na tinapos ang round 1.
Noynay, he just looks physically stronger and he's dominating in start as Noynay could ever think of. How about that? Two. He gotta wake up and get his head to fight because Noynay is not playing. He just looked puzzled and he just looked weak. His shots don't look sharp. Look how he fought. He threw left hand from the southpaw. His Noynay just doesn't respect Shimizu. Doesn't respect him at all. He doesn't feel any kind of resistance coming from him. The best thing to do as a fighter, when you're kind of shook up and you're trying to, get your legs under you and figure things out, go. Moments ago from Noynay. Shimizu sits a little bit too long in front, not doing anything at all, Dre.
Round 3 ng bakbakan. Nakabawi ang Hapon nang matamaan ng solidong kaliwa ang Pinoy champion na hilo at nasave by the bell ito.
In command of this fight, but then you see Noynay land that straight left hand or that overhand left. That's the punch that's going to be the kryptonite to Shimizu if he doesn't get his head off the line. Looks like there's some swelling around the right eye of Shimizu temporarily. He doesn't punch until he slows his feet down. That's called a telegraph. He lets his opponent know, hey, slow down, I'm coming to do something else. And Shimizu right now is not doing that. He's totally tipping his offense off. Good straight left right there, but not enough of that kind of action.
Sa mga sumunod na round, makikitang sirado na ang kaliwang mata ng Hapon. Nahihirapan ng makipagsabayan sa laban.
He needs to take the play back away from Shimizu and let Shimizu know I'm not just here just to collect a check. For those left hands, time and again, he has found countering opportunities as well as his height on Shimizu, and it's working for him right now. Anytime Noynay lets his hands go and asserts himself, he has success, just like you see right there. But when he allows Shimizu to get confidence, you literally see the confidence start to slowly build in Shimizu. Noynay had a clean flush shot like Noynay's been doing throughout the course of this fight. See some blood coming from the nose of the undefeated Olympic bronze medalist. Started with the damage he took in round number 1. And Joe, it's only the 4th round. Yep.
he can't miss. I mean, every big shot, every power shot he throws, he's hitting Shimizu with the shot.
Yeah, the crime for a fighter and even a young fighter is not necessarily getting hit. Think different, and they're not asking for that.
He's only showing one form of defense, Dre, and that's keep your hands up. And like I say over and over, you know, being an amateur for long periods of time, you know, there's a lot of bad habits you have to break. And most of the time, because of the point system, you keep your hands high to block shots to keep points from coming in. And you...
That was the second round TKO victory. The thing about the inside is he's getting hit with 2s, 3s, and 4s. Yes. Something big is going to get through. It's one thing if one shot's landing, maybe 2.
At sa ika-6 na round, sumuko na nga ito sa gitna ng laban, ang Olympic medalist at undefeated ng Japan.
You know, Shimizu doesn't fight tall. You know, he fights like a small man. You know, even though he's tall and ranger, he doesn't know how to use his height to his advantage and his reach to his advantage.
I know what you mean, Tim, when you say he doesn't fight. Keep the leg distance, tighten up his defense, his shell a little bit more, and he's just not doing that. He'll go into a shell, but he really doesn't know why he's doing it. All he's doing is just trying to avoid punches, for his country. But I have to ask, who are the 8 guys that Shimizu knocked out?
Well, that's the concern, and you better be ready for the test. Right now, they're going to take a look at him. Ringside physician steps up to the apron. You can see the swole.
Yeah, to me, in a fight, and it's the 6th round, and I'm called over to the doctor. I'm not sticking my glove out to tap you. I'm just not going to do it. It's too much, brother.
Noynay getting real busy this round. Looks like he caught his second win right now. Affected by the eye. Got hit right in the eye.
That is it. It is over, and he has been battered here. That is a toe in round number 6. That was a brutal amount of punishment that Shimizu took from round 1 onward.
A lot, you know. You gotta work on different forms of defense. He only knows one. So directly in front.
Panalo si Noynay via 6-round TKO at tagumpay na nadipinsahan ang kaniyang titulo. Shout out kay Provinciano Vlog, Roldan from Misamis Oriental, Robert Maligro, Star Rebeliesa, Teodoro Tesorero from Kupang Antipolo, Toto Tolix Vlog, Aldion Davis from Sarangani, Ariel Ismolo. Ingat kayo dyan pre at maraming salamat sa panonood.